clothing and fashion. Carl and Emma work in an office from Monday to Friday. When they go to work, they wear business clothes. Carl wears a suit and tie with dress shoes. He wears a white or light blue shirt and black socks. Emma wears dress pants and flat shoes. And sometimes she wears a dress and blouse. They don't go to work on the weekend. They like to spend time outside. On the weekend, they wear casual clothes. Carl wears a t-shirt and shorts with some sandals. Emma wears shorts with comfortable trainers. When it is cold, Carl wears a winter hat, and Emma wears a heavy sweater, winter hat, and mittens. They both wear coats in the winter.